Introduce features highlight for Rhorawill dashcam 3-channel front and side rear, 1440p plus 1080p plus 1080p car dashboard camera recorder 3.0-inch LCD IR night vision supercapacitor built-in Wi-Fi. Loop recording parking mode support 128 GB maximum. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Features highlight or overview summary are include. The dashboard camera is a car dashboard camera designed with 3 cameras. The 2 cameras inside the car can be rotated back and forth, left and right, and the shooting angle can be adjusted at will. You can record the left and right sides of the car with 2 in-cabin cameras, one records the inside of the car and one records the left and right sides of the car. The dashboard is able to shoot more angles and provide important evidence at critical moments. The 2 cameras inside the vehicle use 4 infrared lights and an f1.8 aperture. Recording super sharp video at night is excellent. The dashcam has a built-in high-sensitivity night vision image sensor, which can present stunning images even in dark areas at night. Car camera provides 24-hour protection for your car. When the memory card reaches its maximum capacity, the earliest clips will be automatically overwritten to ensure unlimited loop recording. Support 1/2/3 minute loop recording. Please use microSD card of class 10 or above with maximum capacity of 128 GB. Built-in G sensor detects collision. The dashboard will automatically lock the currently recorded video as evidence of the event. The locked file will not be overwritten by the looped recorded file. The data can be viewed via the dedicated app Roadcam on your iOS or Android device. Connecting to your mobile devices through built-in Wi-Fi, it is easy to control the camera, view, download, and share the videos. Auto-displaying parking images to ensure your safety while parking. Multiple languages are supported, including simplified Chinese, traditional Chinese, English, French, Spanish, Portuguese, German, Italian, Russian, and Japanese. The lens of this dashcam is used an infrared lens. The infrared light of the car camera is to assist the night camera, can make the video taken at night clear, if the car is dark during the day. May also lead to infrared light automatically open, when it senses strong light will lead to some objects in the video color difference, purple/red more pronounced. This is all normal phenomenon. If you don't like it, choose to turn off the infrared light to solve it. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.